Today we are going to learn JavaScript Array.include. So this function is using to check the value is present in array or not. So now let's start. Let array, create an array. Let check is value in an array dot includes dot includes 5. If 5 is present in the array, then it will be written. If 5 is present in the array, then it will be written. It will be written false. Then present in array, written true, else false. Now console log. Now we can check node index.js. Now it's written true. If we add value which is not present in the array, like 12, it will be written false. Okay, and 12, 7. This will return true because the 12 is in the string. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, then like this video and subscribe this channel, and make sure hit the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload the video, and share this video with your friends and colleagues who want to learn programming. And thank you very much for watching my video.